Welcome to World Delicacies. Join us on a culinary journey through Crete, the enchanting Mediterranean island renowned for its rich food culture. Discover exclusive dishes passed down through generations, showcasing local ingredients and traditional recipes. And along the way, you just might discover hidden gems. Despite being an island, Crete surprises with meat delicacies like succulent grilled lamb and slow-cooked goat, reflecting its agricultural heritage. Stay tuned as we unveil the top 15 must-try foods, revealing the authentic tastes of Crete, a paradise for food enthusiasts. Kicking off our countdown at number 15 is Tsigariasto, a slow-cooked goat or lamb dish that showcases Crete's mastery of meat cookery. The tender, fall-off-the-bone meat is infused with garlic, onions, and olive oil, creating a hearty meal that reflects the island's culinary heritage. At the 14th spot, we have Myzithra, a fresh, soft whey cheese that's a staple in Cretan cuisine. Made from sheep's or goat's milk, this versatile cheese adds a tangy flavor to salads, pasta dishes, or as a simple spread on bread. Coming in at number 13 are Askordoulakous, wild mountain bulbs foraged from the Cretan landscape. These small, onion-like bulbs are pickled or sautéed with olive oil and lemon, offering a unique taste of Crete's wild terrain. Jumping to number 12, we find Sfakianopita, a cheese pie from the Sfakia region. This rustic pie features a flaky pastry filled with soft, tangy cheese, often drizzled with honey for a delightful balance of sweet and savory flavors. At number 11, Ahinosalata, a sea urchin salad, showcases Crete's love for fresh seafood. The creamy urchin roe is mixed with lemon juice, olive oil, and herbs, creating a luxurious dish that captures the essence of the Mediterranean Sea. Breaking into the top 10, we have Sarikopitakia, crispy cheese pastries filled with local cheeses, herbs, and sometimes honey. These golden brown parcels offer a satisfying mix of textures and flavors that represent Crete's rich dairy tradition. Holding strong at number 9 is Graviera, a hard-aged sheep's milk cheese that's a point of pride for Cretans. With its rich, slightly sweet flavor and firm texture, Graviera is a versatile cheese enjoyed on its own or grated over pasta. Celebrating at number 8 is Gamopilafo, a traditional wedding dish. This creamy, comforting rice pilaf is infused with meat broth and lemon, symbolizing abundance, joy, and the coming together of families. Lucky number 7 brings us Chochlioi Boubouristi, a savory zucchini and potato pie. Layers of thinly sliced vegetables combined with local cheese create a hearty and delicious dish that reflects the island's abundant produce. Firing up the countdown at number 6 is Antikristo, a traditional method of grilling lamb. The meat is cooked in front of an open fire, infusing it with incredible flavor and showcasing Crete's long-standing tradition of sheep farming. Smoking into the top 5 is Apaki, a smoked pork delicacy that's a cornerstone of Cretan mise platters. The pork is marinated with vinegar, garlic, and spices before being slow smoked, resulting in a tender, flavorful meat that pairs perfectly with local wine. Galloping in at number 4, we have lamb with Stamnagathi, a quintessential Cretan dish that showcases the island's love for wild greens. Tender lamb is slow cooked with fresh Stamnagathi, creating a nutritious and flavorful meal that celebrates Crete's natural bounty. Sneaking into the top 3 are Chochlioi Boubouristi, or fried snails, a beloved mise dish in Crete. The snails are seasoned with salt, pepper, and rosemary before being fried until crispy, offering a unique and addictive snack that pairs perfectly with chilled reiki. Just missing the top spot at number 2 are Kalitsounia, small, hand-shaped cheese pies. These golden brown pastries are filled with local cheeses, eggs, and herbs, then deep-fried or baked until crispy. Kalitsounia are enjoyed as a snack, appetizer, or even a sweet treat when drizzled with honey. Topping our list at number 1 is Dakos, a vibrant Cretan bread salad that perfectly balances flavors and textures. Crispy barley rusks are topped with juicy tomatoes, creamy Myzithra cheese, and fragrant extra virgin olive oil, embodying the essence of Cretan cuisine, simple, fresh, and bursting with flavor. I hope you enjoyed this Cretan food journey, and thank you for watching another episode of World Delicacies.